Good morning, my name's Alan. I'm the personal chef to the Duke and Duchess of Beaufort at Badminton House. Today I'm going to be cooking for you Aubergine Parmigiana, a very simple, basic dish, vegetarian, aubergines, red onion, mozzarella or Parmesan, dried oregano, basil and tomato, and that's it. So I'll start off by simply slicing the aubergine quite thinly, lengthways. As thin as you can possibly get it. You don't want it too thick. And then we'll put it on the tray and then we will cover it in oil. So I'll put some oil on the tray first. Just lay it all onto the tray. We have an Everhot at work and we do this dish in the Everhot. It's very, very simple. The ovens are always on. It bakes it lovely. So it's a real simple dish to use it in the Everhot. Give it a good covering of oil because it will soak it up. I'm just going to put some salt and pepper over them. And then we're going to put them in the oven, top oven, round about 220, 230 for roughly 20-25 minutes. So the next step now is to make our tomato sauce. Oil in the saucepan, onions go in as well, just sweat them down just so they start to go clear. The next stage is to add your tomato sauce. Ours is made from our very own tomatoes from our wall garden. Basically, we just roast them off nice and gently, a little bit of olive oil, a few dried herbs, roasted in the oven, and then we just blitz them so they're into a nice sauce. So nice and fresh, but you don't have to use fresh tomatoes if you don't have them. A tin of chopped tomatoes will do fine. Add some oregano and reduce that now down by half. Okay, now the aubergine has cooked, so it's nice and brown. Our tomato sauce is nicely reduced. We're now going to build the actual dish. So what you first start doing, put a thin layer of tomato sauce into your dish, a layer of aubergine and some grated Parmesan or mozzarella is what I use, and then a few torn herbs of basil. Keep making those layers up until you reach the top of your dish. Finish it off with a tomato sauce, a few torn leaves of basil and some grated mozzarella. Put it into the oven, round about 25-30 minutes, and it should be done.